Welcome to our video covering how to set references in foreign keys. I will now explain to you how to make cross queries between different data sources. Here you can see I already connected a database and a CSV file that I would like to cross query, and both are located in our data warehouse. Now we click Edit on the database and go to the Reference section. Here we select the table and field of the database. Then, select the CSV and the relevant field. We just click Add. Here it is, and now we are done. Please keep in mind that only fields of exactly the same field type can be connected. We recommend connecting references with unique IDs in order to avoid ambiguity. You can also set a key between date fields, however, please make sure that both date fields have the same date format as well as the same granularity as monthly data.